sweet. Ooh, because I can. Hey. So I'm starting the vlog off. It's a little late. I don't care. Cause what time is it? Doesn't matter right now. I am on my way to go get lunch from my uncle and myself because I didn't tell you about the car. I need a new alternator. So he came by just to check to see if it was the battery or really the alternator, because I literally just had work done on it and had a starter put on there. So they had to charge the battery. They charged the battery. Come to find out, the battery is good. It's 95%. So I ain't got to worry about the battery. Oh, Lavender's calling. But what was I gonna say? So not only does it need another alternator, it needs the serpentine belt broke. So we just got the serpentine belt. So he's gonna try to put that on for me at least, because he still wants to test like the voltage on the alternator. So then we'll be able to take everything from there. But at the same token, it's the alternator. I've been trying to get in touch with my friend because he said he would come and work on it. Not him, one of his friends. He sat there and listened to the whole conversation and was like, what is it? What year? All this other stuff. And then he was like, I could do it. Mind you, this was Friday. Your girl done been outside and everything. You supposed to come over Saturday, yesterday. Didn't do it. Today's Sunday. I can't even get in touch with my friend to get in touch with him. So, I don't know. We'll see. Because I feel like this, push, cut, or shove, then I'll just have to do another tow and take it back up back up to Jay's and have them fix it. I guess. I mean, I got options. This other dude approached me when the car got dropped off on Friday. He was working on my neighbor's car apparently, and he was saying like he live in the area, and he was like he'll fix it for me and won't charge me too bad and all this other stuff. I was just like, oh, okay. Like, he was like, I fix everybody's car in the area. To me, I'm not impressed. Like, I'm sorry. Like, anybody else would be like, oh my God, thank you so much, blah, 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 blah. And yes, thank you, because he was the one that told me that my serpentine belt broke. But I just don't let anybody really be like touching on my truck. So, and then I don't know you like that. Just because you know my neighbors, I don't know them neighbors. So, yeah. So I can either have him do it, my friend's friend can do it, or I can take it up to the shop. But I'm leaning towards my friend's friend. I don't know. You know when you believe in somebody's capabilities, I believe in his capabilities. So that's why I was like, I have no problem with him doing it. So. But I will see you at, my uncle wanted Taco Belle, so I'm headed to Taco Belle. So I'll see you at Taco Belle. And how rude of me. Wow, it really does say that on there. Huh, interesting. Hey girl, hey, my name's Cita. If you're new here, welcome. If you're coming back, hey girl, hey, hi. So I did do the introduction. And I will see you at Taco Belle. Okay, so I'm back. I'm on my way back to the house. Girl, so I didn't understand. Like, my uncle gave me $20 for his food, and I didn't understand that was really the whole, like, that was it. Like, I was like, wow. It was like $18 and some change. Girl, that was just for those three. That wasn't included in the taxes on that. So yeah, he gave me $20. He did right. I didn't understand it. I didn't understand Taco Bell went up that much. It's been a while since I've been to Taco Bell. But let me tell you how perfectly it worked out, though. Because I get there, and it's like, I pull right on in. Like, it was a worker sitting outside, like they was taking their break. Pull right on up. Nobody was in line. I placed my food, got up there. Look, I was the person that took the longest because I couldn't find my debit card. he gave me cash, but I didn't have enough cash on me just to give it to her. When the lady was like, my bill was $39 and some change, I said, $40 for Taco Bell? For 2 people? What the heck? Like, what do we get? Like, I see. I'm trying their cantina bowl, the chicken cantina bowl, and then I got me some of the nacho fries. I love they nacho fries. So I'm surprised I'm not in there a lot more than what I am, because it's been a while since I had Taco Bell. I don't even remember the last time I had Taco Bell. It's been a couple of years. But yeah, so it worked out so perfect. And by the time I ended up, they was making it while I was placing the order, because they had asked me, and it was like, what is it that you said you wanted on the tacos? You want the tacos. So, well, I gotta call you back, girl, because this one light right here, girl, it's out. It was all right going through it. So I'll see you back at the house. So I smashed some fries. I'm sorry, y'all, but I'm gonna try. Okay. That's not bad. That's pretty good. The first bite didn't have everything in there. That's what I mean. Yeah, that first bite didn't have everything in there. So let me dig over here, see what this is all about. Maybe I'll make me one of these this week. Ooh, because I can. It's been a minute, too, since I made a burrito bowl. All right, well, I'm going to eat this, and I'm going to check back in with you later. Okay?
335. 313. 243. 6235. Fireworks, fireworks, fireworks. 313, 243, 6235.
Do it again.
The gravel is very uneven. What is it?
Right.
People about to think we want the rain. I think we gonna fuck them on this bed. We don't want them. We don't want them. Right now, as a matter of fact, you see me. I'll be right across the her. Your business and you ain't mine. Yeah, we both outside. That's my type of nigga.
I truly hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.